Hi everybody, welcome back to Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I'm going to do a nice healthy snack recipe and my ingredients are chickpeas, mixed spice, paprika, turmeric, crushed chilies, Cajun and olive oil. So we're going to do nice crunchy roasted chickpeas. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've just put my oven on 200 degrees to let it preheat. So now I've just opened a can of chickpeas. So I'm just going to pour them into the bowl. So you can see there that there's juice coming out of the tin. So what I'm going to do next is drain out all that juice. Now, so there you see that I've drained out all the juice from the chickpeas. So it's okay if they're still a little bit wet. But what I'm going to do now is we're ready to start roasting the chickpeas. So I have prepared my dish and I'm going to spread the chickpeas onto the tray. So I'm just spreading them out evenly over the tray. And then we're going to put this in the oven and let it cook for approximately 30 minutes. So that they become nice and dry. So we want them to be nice and dry before we start putting on the seasoning. So now I've just taken the chickpeas out of the oven after 10 minutes of cooking. So what we're going to do is every so often just take out the tray and give them a shake. And then we're going to put them back in. So they have another 20 minutes to cook. So I've just taken them out of the oven now after 30 minutes of cooking. So you can see now that they're nice and dry. And so what I'm going to do now is start flavouring. So I'm just going to split the chickpeas between two bowls because I'm going to use a mix of different seasoning on each one. So you don't have to use all these seasonings. You can pick and choose whichever way you want to flavour them yourself. So you can even use different spices. There's so many ways you can flavour it with different spices. So now I've just put them into two bowls as you can see there. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the olive oil and put a teaspoon in each bowl. So a teaspoon of olive oil in each bowl. And then just mix them around so that the oil can cover all the chickpeas. Now, so we're ready to start putting in the flavours. So for the first one, I'm going to use some turmeric. So just sprinkle to your taste, and also some paprika. And then give them a mix around so that the seasoning can evenly spread out. And then for the next bowl, I'm going to use some Cajun. Little bit of chilies, and also a little bit of mixed spice. And then again, give them a stir around. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put them back onto the roasting tray. And then we're going to put them back in the oven and leave them to roast for another approximately 10 to 15 minutes. So now I've just taken them out of the oven after 15 minutes of roasting. So in total it's a 45-minute cook time. So all I have to do now is serve. And so there we have our roasted chickpeas all done. So a nice healthy snack filled with iron and vitamin A. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe below. And thank you so much for watching everybody. Have a great day.